My GE water softener is telling me that I've got about 17 days left until it is out of salt. So we will be filling the system with Morton's salt. So now I will add as many bags as I need. After adding 4 bags of salt, I keep a piece of PVC nearby, and I use that to make the level of the salt flat. After adding 4 bags of salt, you can see that the salt is up to about the number 7 on that level indicator. So now we'll close the lid, and in order to program the salt level, we're going to press the mode set. There's salt level, so we'll press the up arrow until we're at 7. Now we'll press the mode button again, and it says 240 days till empty. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.